So the petrol price has just gone up, and in cases like this, you're not necessarily going to have an expense problem, you're going to have an income problem. And one of the things that I've learned that will be most beneficial to you in terms of scaling your income is the power of self-education. And I want to share with you a couple of books that I'm working through at the moment. The first is a book called Circle Maker by Mark Batterson, and this book taught me the power of prayer and the importance of praying specific prayers, where he says that God doesn't answer vague prayers. We need to be specific. So my tip to you is be specific about the income that you are contending for and pray for that specifically. The next book, two books by John Bevere, Honors, Reward and Undercover. Business is ever changing, ever evolving, and it's going to be difficult for you if you don't know how to honor the leadership that is in place above you. The next book is a book called The Practical Guide for Wealthy Families and Family Offices. Something that we've been working with a lot lately is helping clients to set up certain structures to protect their wealth for generational purposes. And this book is really helping me to understand how those structures work and how difficult it can be, not just to build wealth, but more importantly to protect it and make sure it passes on from generation to generation. The next book is a book called The Art of Scale by Jason Goldberg. This book has really helped me to understand how scaling your business works. Over the last 4 years, we've been able to grow our company from 4 people or 5 people to close to 50. We'll probably be over 50 soon. And understanding the importance of culture and systems and how to put that in place so that you can scale your business successfully. And the last book is a book called Slaying the Standard by Antonio Iozo. He's the CEO and founder of a company called Alpha Insurance, a company that we do a lot of business with. And this book has also helped me to understand how to set a high standard for the leaders in your business so that you can grow and continue winning.